Okay, so we're looking at the true cost of credit. And it's not cooperating quite. Let's see. There we go. Okay. True cost of credit activity. Okay, and we're going to look at what the effects of different interest rates are on borrowing. Okay. So we're going to use an $8,000 credit card debt and various different interest rate scenarios and figure out what the minimum payment would be and then the number of months and the total interest paid. So if we have 12%, what do we come up with the minimum payment as? 160, good. What did we say the number of months was? 306 months, yup. And then total interest paid on that. Okay, good. I'm just going to keep it at that for $7,544. So that's $7,544 on top of the $8,000. Okay, so that's just the interest piece. How about if we have a fixed payment of $250? What do you think? Good, 39, good. And then how much are we paying in interest? Good, 1689 and a little bit of change. How about 500? 18 months and
761.
right, 761. Okay. So what are you noticing here? What's the pattern you're noticing? Right, when you pay off more, the amount of time and the amount of interest are going to go down, which is logical. Logan, could you do me a favor again? Could you just put your backpack down on the floor? I know, I'm sorry. I just like to see your pretty face, that's all. Okay? Or handsome face, I should say. Sorry. Handsome. Okay. All right. So on 19%, what do we have if we just did the minimum payment as that? What was the minimum payment on that one? Anybody get anything else?
I think I did this entirely wrong, so I don't know.
Anybody get anything else?
When we did, I didn't write it down.
Here it said no, assume your minimum payment is calculated at 2%.
So 2% of 8,000 is always
It's still
yeah.
I thought that there was something else that happened there.
Yeah,
I had 206. Maybe I did
I
something
think it was
wrong.
I forgot to write it down. I just wrote those interest. But I don't think they were. I'm pretty sure they were all different.
Say what?
Also, graph.
Yeah.
Why does it increase? Why is it minimum payment increase?
It's a higher interest rate.
Yeah.
But
I think it has something to do with how it says the interest rate is. Let me fill in the grid and then we'll just go back and check it out. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So 206. Then you would have 322. And what else did you have, Steve?
For interest rate?
Yeah. The interest.
Oh, interest paid was 12,072.
Okay. So that now look at how much that jump up is. So while the term is not, I mean, it's 2 years longer, about almost 2 years longer, not quite 2 years longer, 18 months longer right here, okay, or thereabouts. From 306 months to 322 months. Look at how much the dollar amount goes up by because of the increase in that interest rate. That's huge, okay. How about the $250? 45 months and 3,244. And then for 500?
19.
And then 1,299, I think I got. Okay, so this is the one. Yes, sir.
Why would it be 2% of 8,000 when the interest rate is 12, but then it wouldn't be 2% of 8,000 when the interest rate is 19?
I'm going to look at how it's written. I think it's because there's something else there. Yes, Albert.
For 19%, about like 28,000.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, this is what I ended up having for 28%. I had 260, let's say 267 here,
Yeah.
roughly. and 339 months,
Yeah.
and I had $17,949 and change.
28% sure that's not impossible on the calculator.
Yeah.
I just said that
Okay.
it's not impossible to pay.
Okay, we'll look at it. We'll look at it. Okay,
Mine,
three.
I
Yeah.
have the same as you.
Okay.
Mine is fine. So.
Okay, but we'll look at it. 43, and then I had 4,662. Let's say. And then 40 for 500, I had 21 and 2,132. Okay. So I'm gonna switch over to
Wait.
what?
For the 28% interest rate, why would it take less time? 43 months versus 45 months.
Oh, this is a $300.
Yeah, $300 payment.
Wait, what about the last one? It's still.
Say what?
Never mind. Yeah, I saw.
Okay. Let me switch gears and go over to the calculator. Classroom. There you are. Just so I don't have to type the whole thing in, I'm going to go in here. Okay, so on this one with the, see how it says interest rate plus the balance of 2%. So that's where the factor comes in. So if you have, what did I say, 8,000 here? What? 8,000, why is it not working? Okay, and we said 19%, right? No, sorry, my bad. Is it 19% or 20? You wanted to know 19% too.
It says 160.
Yeah.
Fixed monthly payment each. Interesting.
And then when I did 28. it said-
Oh, you know what? Let me just, so that's what I did. Okay, so let me just see. I left in the 1%, the interest, Assume your minimum payment is calculated 2%. Be sure to choose either minimum payment or fixed payment before you click on the calculate. That was my problem.
I did the same.
My bad. You guys are totally right. You guys are totally right. Yep, I screwed up.
Yeah.
Yay!
We all have blue slips.
I'll give everybody a blue slip. I'll give everybody a slip. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. I screwed up.
I did the same thing as you, so I guess I don't get one.
Uh,
I had mine.
Yeah, Steve doesn't get a blue slip.
That's mine. It's my fault. I was thinking it was one. I thought when I clicked on it, it was the interest rate plus 2. I was thinking it was interest rate plus the 2%, not just 2%. So that's why.
28 shouldn't be something because
Let me try that one then. Okay. So now we're talking 28% here. Let me put this one in here. 28%.
and then 2% for.
Right. 2%. So let's just say. So your minimum payment is not enough. Oh, so this is what it's saying. Your minimum payment is not enough to reduce your debt. Please return to make sure your interest rate and minimum payment are correct. So that's where that problem is. Okay. So I'm going to change my instructions to just leave it as your minimum payment is calculated as the interest rate plus 1%. I have to change this. My assignment is wrong. My bad. All right, so you guys are all golden today. I love you. Thank you for correcting me. I like when you guys do that. You know what? That to me is awesome because that means you're really paying attention when you're doing it. So I appreciate that. So thank you. Okay? All right.